playing this point of sale system, yeah. This is the main menu. Well, when you start up the application, you have 4 certain users: the administrator, manager, employee, and guest. We're only going to be giving the administrator example, or we'll be only demonstrating the demo one. Right. As at the moment, as you can see, this is all empty. So what you have to do is create a stock, or create your inventory. We'll deal with these other categories later on. At the moment, we'll only be dealing with things concerning the most necessary items. So let's add a category: drinks. What restaurant doesn't sell drinks? And then with this button, you can add a photo. You can attach a photo to your category. I have some here. And then I'll pick up, say, cola JPEG. Then you get this photo attached. You can enlarge or shrink the pictures. And here you see drinks. And make sure that this picture is within the frame when you save it again. So let's go by the sales. We'll demonstrate a small sale. Oh wait, we don't have a product yet. We have drinks but no product. So we go back to the stock, and we go into products, and then we add a reference, 1, barcode 1, name of the drink, cola light, category, drinks, attributes, we want to add text category, standard. We haven't we'll have to configure this later, but you can configure this to euro sign, and you can also configure your text as well. You can also, with this margin, you can see if you're making a profit or not. Well, I'm not the one for economics, so I think it has something to do with this. Say if you bought the drink for, well, per soda you bought for 20 cents, and you sell it for 22 euros, it'll cost as much. Anyways, we'll also attach a photo to the drink. Sorry. So we attach a photo. This button you can remove the photo, and this button you can open or change the photo. We'll save this, and this is up. This is within the window. You can decrease the size or enlarge the size. Okay, back to sales. So a customer comes in, he wants a drink, only a drink, and you have nothing but cola light. This title here we'll fix later. It seems the database wasn't doing okay. So you can click this twice, and it will pop up 2 icons, or 2 items. Or you want 1. Or you can also do this. For this 1 item, you just add, click on the plus sign, and it just adds 2 units for you. The taxes are automatically on 10%, but that we can change that later. Okay, and then we'll go into cashing out. So the customer wants to buy 2 cola lights, and he's gonna pay. This is the total, and this is remaining. The remaining lets you see how much cash the customer still has to pay, and the total is how much cash the customer has to pay with everything. And given belongs to the customer, how much he's giving, so automatically it assumes you'll give a full price. Well, he gives the full price, but instead he brings out the 50. So if he's gonna pay with a €50 bill, the change is estimated at 46 euros. Pretty exact for an estimate anyways. At this point you can print the receipt for him if he wants, and then press OK, and the sale will be registered, and this will let you know how much to return to the customer. So let's move on. We're gonna go to the end of day sale. Say you're gonna close up shop for day. You go to close cash, and then this is the amount of payments has been made for the day. 1 payment or 1 order has been made. Sale of €4, and the rest goes into a report. You can print this, and that's also optional, and then you just close the cash register. Printing, of course, is a concern for bookkeeping. Alright, then you go back here, you go into payments. No, this is something else. No, change passwords. You can add a password to your administrator, or you can change it. This one is here. Well, you change your current password for the current user. And in configuration, it's ill-advised to be in here because this will change the entire database. Sales. Here you can generate reports of your transaction log and sales per user if you decide to log the users. And here you can set your sales tax as well. So let's set the sales tax first. Well, more like it gives a report for sales tax. Sorry for that mistake. So with this button, here you can select which day, till which day you want to see the amount of sales. And report. There you go. Receipt number 2, payment type cash, and this is only for sales taxes. And this also applies to sales by user and payments. And the transaction log is also the same principle. Let's see, let me go into maintenance. You can go into floors. Here you can enter your own map of blueprint or of your own restaurant, via picture, image files, of course. And let's see, presence management. Here you can schedule your employees to have breaks or leaves, which day they will be there, and all sorts of schedules. Apparently this is just a report for schedules. And here you set the printers. Check in, check out. Yeah, this window shows when the administrator or when a particular user has checked in. Here you see administrator has checked in at March 14, 10:31 p.m. Checks out. So this is where you can register their working habits, whether they're being lazy or not, or whether they're properly checking in. And this concludes that simple demonstration. So I have to do is log out and get back here. This system can be made in Chinese or Dutch, but we're planning to change the currency to euros in the future. That's about it.